So here we are at White Rabbit Gallery. White Rabbit Gallery is again part of the broader philanthropic efforts of Judith Nielsen. It brings together Australia's largest Chinese art collection and then complements with this beautiful tea house. So you're getting this broader cultural experience, not just through the art, but then the food and of course the tea, which is so intrinsic to a Chinese experience. And then we look on this side, because again, it's layers on layers, not just it's culture, but then it's enterprise. So in the building here on the right is the home to Airwallex. So Airwallex are Melbourne-based and founded, but now a unicorn, $5 billion company revolutionizing international transactions. They've just raised a Series E round of some 300 million to accelerate their growth. They're complemented by Secure Code Warrior, who are building some amazing solutions to accelerate the way you train specialists in cybersecurity, complemented by Early Work, who are changing the way you get young people, graduates into technology companies. And so, you've got this really amazing ecosystem of complementary businesses starting to stack on top of each other. We're going to keep moving up here because part of it is also the community of co-working spaces.